Hello?
You have a laptop that was given to you by the company or a computer in your office, but it is always giving you issues. It is frustrating you, hanging, and you're always calling.
IT! The IT guy have saved your number with customer one. He is always avoiding you.
Yeah? Oh my God, now only you there for complaining. Is it only you? What is going wrong?
Every day you keep calling the IT guy. He's tired.
What could be wrong? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to solve your basic computer issues. Before you call your IT guy in your company, do this first before you call your IT guy. This might just save you the trouble. So your laptop is not working, your desktop computer is not working, it's freezing, it's going so slow, and you're so frustrated, you don't know what to do. You tried calling the IT guy, but the IT guy is busy, he's helping other people. You reach out to the other IT guys, they are also busy. What can you do? What must have gone wrong? What is wrong with the laptop? Guys, wait, before you panic, try to restart your laptop. Try to restart your desktop before you panic. Yes, try it first. Restart your laptop, restart your desktop. Who knows? That might just be the solution to your problem. Wait, I have another one. Before you end the video, I know you have an iPhone and you're always taking pictures and videos with it, but when it comes out really blurry. What could be wrong? Is your iPhone a fake iPhone? I think they sold a fake iPhone for you. Oh no, there may be something wrong with your camera setting or the camera output itself. Wait, I don't think there's anything wrong with your iPhone. I don't think you were sold a fake iPhone. No, there's something wrong with the phone, but you can easily fix it. Listen to what I have to say. Have you tried wiping the lens of your camera? Yes, guys, before you complain about your iPhone, pick up your camera, wipe the lens. Yes, wipe the lens, the front camera, yes. And if you're using back camera, wipe the back. Yes, I'm going to show you, don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Wipe it and then try shooting a video with it. You will see that it will come out very, very, very clear. Go through my channel. The first videos that I was shooting it with this same phone. But you see how they came out? They came out looking very blurry, as if I was using an Android phone. Yes, because I didn't know to wipe the lens of my iPhone camera. So guys, if you want a crystal clear video, wipe your iPhone camera lens. It will work wonders for you. It will make your video look like glass, clear like day. So try it and let me know what you think. Is your video clearer now? Is your live video clearer now? Let me know. I want to learn again. Do a research to find out if everything I've said in this video is true. If it is true and you've learned something from it, kindly share this video with your friends and family, especially the content creators in your family. Thank you for watching all the way through. To support my work here on YouTube, please take a look at the other videos on my channel and check out my live videos, guys, please. And subscribe. Join me, become a member of my community, and I will see you next time again. Thank you for watching once again. Take care of yourself. Have a beautiful day. Bye.